Welcome to Money Lover, your guide to financial goals.
Money Lover is a powerful app for managing your personal finances. In this guide, you'll discover how to set up and track your financial goals step by step. Whether you're saving for a special purchase or planning for the future, Money Lover makes it easy to organize your budget and stay on target.
Setting up your financial goals.
To begin, open the Money Lover app and select the Goals feature from the menu. Tap the plus icon to create a new goal. Enter your goal name, target amount, and deadline. You can customize goals for things like travel, an emergency fund, or a new gadget. Setting clear targets helps you stay focused and motivated.
Customizing and categorizing your goals.
Money Lover lets you assign categories and notes to each goal. This helps you prioritize which goals matter most and keep track of your intentions. You can also add images for inspiration. By organizing your goals, you'll be able to review your progress more easily and make informed financial decisions.
Tracking progress towards your goals.
As you save money, record your contributions in the app. Money Lover automatically updates your progress, showing how close you are to reaching each goal. If you fall behind, you'll see how much more you need to save, making it easier to adjust your spending and saving habits.
Tips for success and next steps.
Stay disciplined by reviewing your goals regularly in Money Lover. Use the app's reminders and notifications to prompt savings or reassess targets. Over time, you can track your achievements, celebrate your financial wins, and set new, bigger goals. With Money Lover, reaching your financial dreams becomes an achievable reality.